Okay, here's something funny that happened today. I actually did go live at the scheduled time, um, or rather, attempted to go live today morning at the scheduled time. But what happened is that I forgot to click the go live button uh, that I was supposed to click. So I spent an hour thinking that I am being live streamed while I wasn't. So, oopsie. So during that session, I finished one, two, three, four, five, I guess, stages of this project. Um, and I think in a way, I'm glad that this happened because the first five steps were pretty boring. I mean, it's just setting up a basic LLM with tool calls and all. So, uh, my apologies. Anyway, so here's now comes the interesting part, actually, um, which is implementing the agent loop. So I'm gonna do this. I am gonna say quick look at what functions. Okay, so I'm gonna try to implement at least the first of at least like these three stages before I move on, or before I end the stream. So let's see how much I can do today. Mm, so it says implementing an agent loop. We have a conversation, we have a start loop with the same API request you have. Um, Actually, since my previous stream wasn't recorded, I should give some context first. Um, I'm gonna, I'm not gonna use AI for this code. I'm going to uh, use the pre 2022 method of coding, which is typing code by hand for this project. Anyway, so far what we've done is we have created this main function. We've implemented this parser argument parser thing, initialized OpenAI client, initialized a chat uh, with the tool calls, and we kind of get parse the tool call responses, and then we are just calling the first tool that was returned. That's it. Not very complicated. So we've not yet implemented the loop, which is the main thing that needs to be uh, there in any AI agent. Okay, so we start the loop. Um, Refresh, allow it to run multiple times. Record assistant response, whatever, add it to messages array. If the model wants to use a tool, the response will contain tool calls array. Check for tool calls. If check the model's responses. Um, I need to make sure that I am. My apologies for my apologies for the what is it called? The yawns. It's Yeah, it's just my habit whenever it's like evening. Anyway, where was I? Record the assistant, check the tool calls, repeat until complete. Repeat until the model is without any tools. Okay, 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 okay. Hmm. So we implement a tool loop. So I guess we're gonna change this to while, um, and we're gonna messages. I think messages is now a mutable array. So maybe we take this out. And just add it back. Um, and what we are going to do is um, okay, how do I send back the tool responses? Content. Each tool result array. Each tool result must have a role tool referencing its tool call ID, and content. So I guess I need to add this to the messages array. I think it's called list in Python, but um, yeah, we don't need to. I need the tool called ID, right? So maybe I will tool dot ID and messages plus equal to messages equal to messages plus tool call ID. All right. If and then I guess what do I do now? Okay, so I think what I need to do is I need to initialize tool here, and I need to put my while loop here, say while okay, and finally do I do and then finally if there is no tool call, then we call this again. So for now I'm gonna repeat the code. I'll figure out later on if there is a way that I don't have to repeat. Whoops. I really need to get a chair. Oh wait, I forgot that I had a table desk thingy. This thingy the, what is it called? The thing on which you put a laptop and work on your bed. Oh, ooh, oopsie. Oh, huh. Much more comfortable now. Cool. So we, do, do. Yeah, like I said, I'm going to do. Oh, one cool thing about this is that it's just working right off the bat. I don't know how. What I mean to say is that I did not actually set up um, any API key for Anthropic in this project. It somehow just came with, or maybe it's mocking the response. I don't know. Either way, it's pretty cool. Mm, okay, so I got while loop and I got the final thing while tool is not. Okay, wait, there's a problem. While tool is not none. Oh, there's a problem. Maybe I need a do while loop. Does Python have a do while loop? Do while Python. Oh, okay. I guess I need to do this while true and if tool if tool I go here. Right, messages, and then I say continue inside the if. Okay, so if tool, then I just add the tool response to the message and then continue, so it goes back here, and again if tool. So I need an else thingy. So since I have a continue, anything that I put after will run as the else statement. If not, oh, right. I need to break also. Break. Yes, I need to break because the while loop should loop, the code should loop only if and only if there is a tool call. So I should break at the end of the while loop. Okay, I think this should work. So we think we do test, and we do this. We run this command called CodeCrafters test in order to check. What do we check? ओ मेरे परदेसी जाना नहीं, अरे जाना नहीं role tool content tool call ID. So this okay, two messages.
What's the time?
The time is 8:52 p.m. Okay, let me read the error message. It says content 1 unexpected tool use ID found in tool result. Tool use ID found in tool result. Oh, I see. Um, I think we wanna maybe, well, maybe remove the tool response. Maybe, yeah, we want to maybe remove the tool thingy from the this thingy messages maybe. Maybe I'll just tool result and I'll just say initial messages. Man, this is tough. Let me see what I'm doing wrong. I'll start the while loop. I make the first call, and then if there is message, then I print the message. If there is tool call, then I just add that in and continue. And if there isn't a tool call, I call this. What is this again? Wait, what if there isn't a tool call? Oh, do I have to call back? I don't think so, right? Yeah, I don't think so. Okay, so I just break out of the loop, and I think this should just work. You're sleeping here?
It's good.
Oh, right. Okay. Okay, but light चालू रहे. You can turn off the tube light if you want. Okay. Do I have to add to the messages array? Add to the Okay, it says add to the messages array. So let me add that. Whoops. Right, and we shall just do result equals do result, continue and break. Yeah, that's it. This should work. Unexpected tool use ID found in tool result. Where is my tool use ID? I don't see that. Okay, I think maybe first I need to use the different terminal where I can see more of the screen. So let me first do that. CodeCrafters test. This is so much better. Unfortunately, this might be too small to read for you guys, but much better for me. I shall do what I can. Unexpected tool use ID found in tool result. Block tool each tool result block must have a corresponding tool use block in the previous message. Oh, must have a tool use block in the previous message. Okay, I think I'm doing something very, very basic. Each tool result. Oh. Okay, maybe what should I do? Stop the loop. Oh. We can also use finish using stop from the first response choice as a signal to stop the response loop. Interesting. So what we've okay. Wait, I think I got it. Not setting the tool result back to none. Is that the issue? No, I'm already breaking out. So let me see if there is tool, then we call it, else we break. If there's tool, then we call, else we break. Okay, maybe I have to look at the examples. Oh, is that it? If okay, messages dot append a message. Oh, was I overcomplicating it? Oh. Maybe I was overcomplicating this whole thing. Maybe let me just okay. So we go for while and true, and we if oh, wait a minute. Ooh, oh, I get it. I get it. That's what I was missing. Damn it. Do I need this? Looks like I don't need it. Okay. Okay, so the reason I am not mutating the array and instead, uh, what is it called? Uh, Creating a new array or copying the array in order to modify it. Uh, why am I doing that? I guess there's no special reason, it's just good practice. And in, it does have performance implication, but that's fine. We don't care about it right now. If tool call is none and we okay, now if now we can do the previous approach of continue and break, but I think the finish reason thing is much more message dot finish reason is much more what is it called? Yeah, the finish reason is just much more clean approach. What am I doing? I was trying to sometimes I tend to think, am I too slow of a coder, or is everybody this slow? Maybe not. Okay, if then break. Um, so we are first printing the message, then we're calling the tool, and if there's finished, then we're breaking. Um, we call the tool if the tool calls. I think this should work. It's slightly different from the code example we saw, but I feel a bit more confident about this version of the code. Let me check the duration.py file 33. Oh, 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 I see. So we're not supposed to print all the message. We're only supposed to print, um, we're only supposed to print the final one, final response. So that's the print message dot content. Yeah, is that it? Finally, we. I finish this. Okay, now it should be easier. So Mm, choose any reasonable name for write to. Request to write to. Okay, I think this one should be a bit easier, hopefully. So we I think we're gonna just add another tool. We call it write. 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 Oh, I guess the tool specification is already there. We don't need it to write our own. Tool specification, we got it. Cool, 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 cool. Now we just implement the right tool. So if for name right oh wait, what am I doing? File path equal to arguments file path and file content equal to arguments. This time I get the file content from argument content. Okay, and then with open file path, I think I want to do I forgot how to write yeah, advanced Python is here. F pending writing. Overwriting a file with W mode creates a new file if doesn't exist. Yes. As f dot write file content. So we can use W because we are told to overwrite the content of the file. Overwrite. Yes. Append the result. Okay. As a tool message. What am I supposed to respond? I don't think there's anything to respond to, right? Required file path. Yeah. किसी मुसाफिर को I think since this part is common, I'm just going to put it outside. Sure, why not? This should work. If read, then we read. If write, then we write. Um, we have that to let's see. I've noticed the tests keep taking longer with each stage because at every stage I think they are running every single tests of every previous stage. So I think the time complexity of the test of each test is quadratic. I think it's quadratic, right? Yeah. What I mean to say is that if like I'm on 10th, then like if, if I'm on the 10th, then I think the okay, I guess it's not quadratic, it's like number multiplied by number of tests. So n into m, something like oh, we are done with this. So let's move on, move on, move on, move on, move on. Let's move on, let's move on, move on, move on, move on. Move on, move on, move on, move on, move on. Let's this should go much faster. Hopefully. के प्यार मत करना किसी मुसाफिर का So we get come on, come on. Oof. It's pretty dangerous to be honest, because I'm just running command. I guess it's fine. I'm gonna hopefully, I don't know. I shouldn't trust the AI, but a result of the tool call should be sent back. Okay, so what does this return? Run, capture output. Captures the output. argument to the stdin of the sub process. Oh. Stay out. There we go. In fact, I don't need this. If I make sure to set pull response in every single if, then this should work. And I think the ID should give an error. Oh, who cares? Okay. Should I put check equal to true as well? Maybe. Oh, I don't care actually. Let's try and see if this works. I think I followed all the. I think I've followed all the. Got one instead. I don't know what is capture output text. Did I miss something? Text equal to true. Do I need to put as an array?
बताओ ना
हाँ आप ही है।
ड्राइवर को बैठा वो
वेट।
और तो मेरी याद तुम्हें तड़पाएगी
Do I need to? Do I need to split it? I think I shouldn't need to split it, but I don't know. Oh, that was it. I needed to just split the string into an array in order to make it work. But with this, I have finished the final task of this first, yes, what do we call it? The of this first section of the project. Hmm. And so I think that is we've got done a lot of coding for today. Hence, oh, oh, was that it? I thought there was more to this. Oh my god, I thought there was way more stuff to this. No? Interesting. Okay, wait, what? We're actually done. I can't believe this. Oh man. And why am I at number 78? Oh, I think this is the overall Python leaderboard. All right, that was it.